Okay, guys, trends for 2020. Gosh, we've seen so much change, especially in the home. So here's what's happening. With homes, the number one thing people want in homes, obviously, is a pool. We've all seen that. Room for pool would be great if you want to take the plunge and build one, but mainly a pool is a hot piece right now. The number one piece for 2020. And then obviously outdoor fireplaces, outdoor kitchens, outdoor porches for zooming and just having a change of scenery to be outside when we're confined. So those are the big outdoor features. And then kitchen-wise, guys, workspaces are huge. Everybody wants a bigger cooktop. We're cooking from home. Refrigerators need to be bigger. More food in the house. Dishwashers were the first to get back ordered for 3-4 months out. And deep freezers, I think you can't even find one right now. So the kitchen is a big request right now for needs. And then white kitchens, that lighter, brighter is not going away, y'all. White kitchens are here to stay. So that's a big deal. Okay, master baths, the old dated brass, that is gone. The goldness is coming back, but in a different style. So the old brass is gone, but definitely the round sinks. You want to go square sinks in your baths, those old jacuzzi tubs. It's about the freestanding tubs right now. So I hope that helps. And then lastly are basements. So think basements. I mean, first thing my husband did when COVID happened was he moved to the basement. So that's his big office down there. We're seeing exercise rooms in the basement. And second kitchens areas down there, but mainly that exercise and workspace. Oh, homeschooling obviously goes in the basement. So a lot of the basement space is getting consumed right now. So those are the big trends from 2020. We're going to see them into 2021. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your renovations.